make a track. Taking the parts bike. New bike that we picked up, $60. And yeah, just gonna use that to tow this. Bike's working, it's all good. Yeah, I saw it. Yeah. I'm about to sell my bike, I have 900 soon.
Yeah, you should come around. CR80 big wheel.
CR80? Yeah. So is Ryan coming?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, don't sell it. I'll come have a look at it soon. I'll just organise the time. I'm keen. I want to buy it. I'm keen. Kind of sounds like Ryan.
It does. But that's not his number.
Yeah.
This thing's a bit of a pain to start. Got that fence done. Wait! Come help me for a sec! No, it started falling off. Yeah. Yeah, let's keep that there. Far out. The tyre sorted itself out now.
What?
The tyre sorted itself out.
It looks like there's a tube in there.
Yeah, there's
Rag.
there's a rag in there. This is gonna be so hard to start. Alright, we're going to go for a bit of a ride. We've got the parts bike back together and let's make a spin. Billy's got his bike, the green machine.
Back up and running.
Yeah. Yeah, so here's Billy's bike, the green machine, and then there's that thing. Yeah, so these are our little silencers. They're just, you know, a little bit of stuff with some steel wool and stuff in it. Yeah, it does the job. Alright, I'm going to pump mine.
Take it down the road.
Alright. Go. I'll catch up. Keep it in that gear. Yeah, fart can.
Oh, it's heavy, jolty. I can change gears, but when I change gears, like guide, and then I'll let it out and start turning around and work back. Turn it on again.
Yeah, the exhaust is jolty.
It's so loud.
Yeah, I know. Get up there. It's slowly coming, like it's sort of getting better. Let's have a go on this beanbag. Yeah, I know, it actually started to fix itself a little bit. Alright, let's try and get up the hill. Started going. I had crappy timing.
You're in fourth gear?
Yeah. Okay, so we've just done the timing because it was running crap and that was one of the symptoms. So we're going to give it another boot. Better. Look at me! Let's see. Out of fuel. Alright, we're gonna go for a ride again. This time the bike's fixed and Luke will be there this time as well. Yeah, so there's bikes ready to go. Luke's gonna meet us down there with some fuel. Yeah, I know, I just checked it, I've literally got done.
I'll go find it, we'll get you there.
Yeah. Down the track. Oh, there. I literally started it up and then it died. Like no fuel, like there's none in the line at all. She's good, man. Look at the weld. Good weld. Billy did it.
That's the cleanest weld I've seen in my life.
Stick welder for you.
You try welding with a stick welder.
Yeah, I know.
Stick welder are so much different to others.
It's alright.
So many times, is it?
Ooh, a little bit.
Watch how much you're putting in there, because I've got none.
There you go.
Holy shit.
There's heaps in there.
Check yourself off. Nice
I had to
bug.
push it. Yeah, I'm gardening, but.
Hold right. Don't ride mine.
No, I'm just sitting on it.
No.
Yeah, that chain's pretty loose. I got the tools. I got the tools, it's all good. I don't see how I can get any quieter. Oh god.
Oh well, I wish I had such a like that second gear.
Yeah, I know.
That first gear.
Yeah, it's nice.
It goes for ages.
Yeah.
Mine's so fucking short.
Yeah, I know. It's like Ryan's bike.
Yeah, I wish I had longer ones.
Alright, let's go.
Okay, come on, everyone. Fuck me. When I took off, I went around Billy. I went that way and drifted out the whole way, man. Don't know where he is, but.
Fuck, it's so rocky.
Yeah, I know. See my trick? Not again!
Where?
Oh! Oh my god! I know. I know. Man, I was hooking that.
I was right behind you.
Wait, can someone get it?
What?
Man, this has got no traction at all.
Yeah, I thought that was gonna fall off. It was wobbling
Dude,
so
that's how I felt when I had those
Yeah, I know.
tires
Dingo again.
again.
Are you going down to the track?
Yeah.
Don't put it on the track again.
No, I'm gonna put it
We'll go
over.
to the beach first, then we'll go to that track.
Yeah. Power increase.
It's not.
Are you dead dead?
Yeah. Oh, I got half of it. I rode my bike like that. I'll live. I just have to go slowly. What? Right? Yeah. All good. Yeah. Oh, I got a long ride home. Oh, it's sick. Yeah? Huh? That? You'll be right up there. So much quieter. Can I have the light?
bloody cry. Huh? Oh, you're nearly gone then, man.
Huh?
Billy! Oh! Oh! Wait.
You haven't moved it yet?
Oh!
It's in gear.
Oh!
You could have warned me earlier.
Oh, I didn't see it coming.
Now I got wet shoes.
I got bloody... Yeah.
Wow.
Damn it. Now I know these aren't waterproof. Oh, it's got a big wet vest now on my feet. Can I have a go? No.
You gotta go.
Yeah, I'm ready to go.
What's that?
How do you do that thing now? Don't know if it's nuts up there. Yeah. This is what happened in the parts flight. There you go. Yeah, that's what happened in the parts flight.
What's it mean? Like, how do you...
It's just the inside of slipping. If you keep doing it for a little while, it'll eventually grab on again and fix itself. I think it's when it gets pretty hot. There it is. Yeah, that's bent. Anything?
What?
Anything?
Fuck yeah.
Yeah. Huh? Take a fucking photo! Alright. Fucking hell. Well, you know, it's just a bit loud.
But you don't have a stand, do you?
Yeah, I do.
Good rider pub.
Good. Alright, let's go.
That was 4 o'clock.
What happened? Yeah.
So I wouldn't turn on, it doesn't hit the neutral.
Yeah. just happened? Oh, kill switch.
Dickhead.
That was fun.
Yeah, that thing came off again. The clip came off.
Good job.
Yeah.
That was fun.
Man, this has been.
I thought I was in third gear, and I thought that was full throttle, my speed.
Yeah.
And I didn't realise it was a fourth, so I clicked in the fourth, and I gave it all it had. Oh, it was so scary how fast it went.
Yeah, I know. I was going in like.
No, I was just waiting the fourth, and I didn't realise this is like, I was here, I didn't realise I had that much to go.
Yeah.
Oh, it's crazy.